In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate hue shifts with hue saturation in After Effects. We're going to take a single video layer and give it a dynamic, colorful look by shifting its hues over time. This is perfect for stylized edits, energetic transitions, or subtle color changes that keep your visuals engaging without reshooting anything. Start by selecting your video layer in the timeline. This tells After Effects exactly which piece of footage you want to affect. With the layer highlighted, go to the top menu and choose Effect, then Color Correction and select Hue Saturation. You can also find Hue Saturation in the Effects and Presets panel and drag it onto your layer. Either way, the Effect Controls panel will display the settings you need. The Master Hue slider is the heart of this technique. It rotates every color in your clip around the color wheel at once. Slide it left or right and watch how reds become blues, blues become greens, and so on. This is a non-destructive change, so feel free to experiment. If the result starts to feel too intense, you can gently reduce the master saturation or pull back on master lightness to keep the image balanced. To bring the color shift to life, animate the master hue with keyframes. Click the stopwatch next to master hue to set your first keyframe at the point where you want the effect to begin. Move the playhead forward in time and change the master hue to a new value. After Effects automatically creates a new keyframe. Continue this across your timeline to build a smooth transition or a full rainbow cycle. For consistent motion, keep the changes between keyframes evenly spaced. If you want the animation to settle in gently, you can ease the first and last keyframes so the change isn't abrupt. If you don't want to shift every color, use the channel range options to target specific hues. In the hue saturation controls, switch from master to a color channel like reds, yellows, or blues. Adjust the channel range sliders to narrow or widen which shades are affected, then tweak that channel's hue setting. This is great for changing a single object's color, like turning a blue jacket green, while leaving skin tones and the rest of the scene untouched. Fine-tune the range until the change looks clean and natural. That's all you need. Select your layer, apply hue saturation, adjust master hue, animate it with keyframes, and refine with channel range for precise control. Save your project, preview the motion, and enjoy the new color energy in your footage.